Hey, good morning. Today I want to use Gemini CLI, Gemini 3.1, and Angular skills to do a feature that I have procrastinated since last November. So I have this pet project where I use a Nano Banana 2 and prompt to either generate a new image or edit an existing one in order to generate a new one. So on this page, I have a requirement where I can choose edit to upload a photo or an image and iteratively edit it using text prompt, or type a prompt to generate a new one and use it to edit to create another one until I'm satisfied. And the third choice is to start a video or a camera to take a photo and use that photo of mine for image generation. I haven't done this feature for long. I haven't done this feature because I cannot remember the API to do it. I think it's to use media recorder API of this one. So the web API has something called what is it called? Navigator.media devices to prompt user for camera permission and use the camera to take a photo and manipulate that photo for their own purposes. So I mean, I can find this page and I can see the vanilla.js code, but I don't. But it's so tedious to convert the vanilla.js code into modern Angular code in order to serve my purpose. So I want to leverage Gemini CLI, Gemini 3.1, and the Angular skills to help me do this feature today. I need to get it done today no matter what, because this is on my to-do list for like close to 4.5 months, and I don't want to wait any longer. So let's start. So Brandon created these Angular skills under analogjs repository. Yeah, so we can add all the skills or some of them. So I am going to copy and paste this command. I'm going to copy and paste this command to the terminal of my VS Code editor to add the skills. Yep. So many. I need to add all. I can't see. I'm gonna add most of them except Angular SSL because my application is not an Angular SSL application, so no need. Okay, press enter. Yep, Gemini CLI is always included, and I don't need to add additional agents because I don't use any of them. I'll press enter. In the installation scope project, so the skills are added to my current Angular project. Symlink, proceed with installation. Perfect. Yeah. So my project has a DOS agents folder, and under this folder there is a skill folder. I install 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 skills, and skills -log.json file is also added. So let me commit the changes first. So I have some ideas how to do it by adding Angular components and making few code changes. So I wrote the steps in this test file, and I hope they actually work. But before doing that, I want to provide an instruction to the Gemini CLI. I want the CLI to look for answers in the Angular skills first. If the skills do not provide the solution, then ask the Gemini model. So, okay. So I understand I will prioritize checking the provided Angular skills for answer and best practice first. If the specific guidance isn't found there, I will rely on my general knowledge. So what would you like to work on, or what question do you have? So first, I want to create a live image component with the minimal setup in the share folder. So if I open source, app, and shared, there are some like components to be used by other components. So I want to put this live image component here so it can be used in other like pages. So okay, let me paste it. I prefer inline template and inline style, but if the template is long, then I can manually refactor it into a separate HTML file. So Angular component skill is activated. Do you want to proceed? I want to choose allow one so I can keep track of the Angular skills that will be triggered and used in this live demo section. So allow once. I'm using Angular version 21. So what is this? Write file. Okay. Wow, this is image. Interesting. So it create a component with source input and input. I don't need these now, so I can. No, I don't need it. So it's too much. Let's see what happens here. And then I want to import the live image component to conversation mode component. And replace this text camera colon to be implemented with this component. So, well, this component expects a source. So let's see if it knows where to find a dummy image to display. Okay. Share required. Hey, whoa. Want to edit okay allowance. And okay allowance. So the component is imported, and yep, live image component is added to the imports array. And let's see here. Oh, okay. Oh, I guess it's fine because source input is null or undefined, so the image button doesn't show. Okay, but how do I know it actually works? So let me check the browser. Let's see if. Okay, it's working. So let me stop the video and commit the new components to my GitHub repo. I know Gemini CLI can go wild, so I want to provide context to it. So the changes will apply to the new live image component. And I made changes to that component. Like remember, I added this div element to show the static text. So I want the Gemini CLI to not undo my changes, like not to revert my changes, and like it should ask me get my confirmation before like reverting my code. I'll get very angry if I make some changes to the component and it's delete all my changes without like asking me first. So I say so I will paste like this to the Gemini CLI. I want to set the boundary with AI so my feeling doesn't get hurt. I'm a very petty person. If you know me long enough, you will figure out. Okay. I have noted the updated content of LiveImageComponent and your instruction to prefer your changes in the directory. I will not revert any of your modification without your explicit confirmation. So how would you like to proceed with a LiveImage component? So I need to okay, first I need to create a HTML video element to capture the photo. I will update my notes as I go because I find out that I'm missing this and that during the live coding section. So I'm not sure what is going on. Okay. Holy cow. Set up camera. After next. Okay. Oh, amazing. It create all the code needed. Wow, why is this so amazing? Okay. Allow once. I think they are mostly correct. I didn't expect a retake. I don't think stream needs to be a private variable. I have some question to ask. Do we need to call after next? Do we need to call this dot setup camera in because I know I need to call this dot setup camera in the constructor. Okay. No, I thought I can call this dot setup camera in the constructor with a promise then. Let's see. In the constructor will return undefined. Even if you use dot then, if the promise resolved before Angular completes the first render, will still be undefined. You won't be. Okay. So I don't think stream needs to be a private variable. is only assigned in a setupCamera. Jesus, what is okay? Let me see. If you don't stop the stream when the component is destroyed, the camera may stay active. We should keep a reference so we can stop it in the ng on destroy hook. Okay, wow. Actually, we find like an even better way to manage stream in our LiveImageComponent. So let me check. Async file mode. Okay. I don't know what this facing mode user mean. So let's change from video facing mode user to video true. Okay. And please evoke a video el.play in set up a camera and try and catch error. Let's see. Don't chill and any okay allowance. Try catch. Oh, okay. Maybe remove the nested try catch around video el.play. So I think it looks great. Capture image, video, class hidden. Oh, I want the video to always be visible and not hidden by the captured image. So please remove class hidden on the video element because I want it to be visible all the time. If that's the case, the video can use a field child not required. Okay, let me see. I want to read read the thinking. Or I mean, not thinking. I want to read the reasoning of the model. Okay, looks great. I will update to remove the class.hidden binding from the video element and change the video child to be required. Okay. So the video is always visible, and future.require is used. So let's see if the video is on, and it prompts and permission is prompt, so I can see my face on the camera. Allow this time. Oh, nice. It's good. It's good. So let me stop the video and copy my changes. So I need to update the status of my checklist. So HTML video element done. Setup camera is implemented to prompt user the camera permission. The stream is assigned to the source object of the video element. The play method of the video element is explicitly called. The canvas element is created and is hidden by using display colon none CSS styling. And now I want to declare a cons with 320 above the component decorator of the class, and inside the document, this dot height is initialized to 0 and this dot streaming is initialized to false. Both of them are not reactive, so they don't have to be signal. I don't know if the skills or the Gemini model will agree with me, but let's see what happens. Okay. Stream height and cons 320. Yep, looks okay. And then in the after next render, I want to add and can play event listener to the video element, and the callback function should do something like this, like to calculate the height based on the width and assign the width and height to the attributes of the video and canvas element, and then set this not streaming to true. So because it can be inside the setup camera, but I want the setup camera method to be short. So I want to have the from events like after await this dot setup camera. So let's see if the agent can do it properly. Actually, I wanted to inject the renderer tool and use the renderer surface to cause set attribute to update the width and height attribute of the element. Import can from no, not good. Where is it? Where is it? What did you do? Oh no! Oh, ugly. From subscribe. No. Please use take until destroyed. Please inject. No, this is not the best practice. Destroy rep and use take until destroyed. to unsubscribe, and then inject a renderer tool and use the renderer surface to set the width and height attribute of the elements. Let's see. Start. Edit. I have updated to use modern Angular pattern for dependency injection, cleanup, and DOM manipulation. Replace. Okay, save. Save DOM manipulation. Switch from direct set attribute calls to using. Yeah. But you didn't do it. I had to teach you to do it. Well, it's okay. From height. Okay. Okay. Now, naming variable and method is very hard, so I'm saying please encapsulate the from event logic to a new method. Please choose a good name on my behalf. My English is not very good, so I need AI to choose a good method name for me. I have faith in AI. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know. Set up streaming listener. Nice. So let me check the application again. So yeah, we take. Yeah, looks good. So let me stop the video recording and commit my changes.